Turning our attention now to maintenance testing, and I like to point out, as Aristotle says, quality is not an accident; it is a habit. Right? Quality is not an accident; it's a habit, and the habit of doing regular maintenance testing is critical to your system reliability and to your system safety. And I love this slide, and this some of this may be lost on some of you depending on how intimate you are with how particularly medium voltage power systems are put together and are expected to work. But this is an 86 device. And this 86 device, as you can probably recognize, has gotten really, really hot. And it's basically broken now. It's not going to work. And this problem was created because of operator error, right? An operator didn't understand how to reset an 86. And in the process of trying to do what he thought was the best thing for getting his plant back online, basically destroyed this 86 device. So it can't do its job anymore.